Hi kids! For today English Year 2, we will continue our writing module, page 4 and 5. We will do is match with the correct sentence. Are you ready? Clue for this activity, you can refer to page 1 that you have done last week. Okay, this is the page 1. Let's read. Sabrina is 10 years old. Okay, we find number 1, Sabrina is, we find 10 years old. Okay, this one. You write number 1 and you copy the sentence. Sabrina is 10 years old. Here we go, number 2. She likes eating. She likes eating. Number 2. She likes eating. Okay, we wrote number 2 in the box. Then we copy the sentence. She likes eating. We proceed to number 3. She eats all the time. We find number 3. She eats all the time. Okay, write number 3. And then copy the sentence. She eats all the time. Next, number 4. She eats with her brother. She eats with her brother. Number 4. She eats with her brother. Okay, put number 4 and then copy the sentence. She eats with her brother. Last one, they eat in the kitchen. Okay, let's check number 5. They eat in the kitchen. Number 5, they eat in the kitchen. Write number 5 and copy the sentence. They eat in the kitchen. So let's continue your work with Swili, Ali, and Ganesh. Just read and copy the sentence. Now let's check your answer. First one, Swili. Swili is 9 years old. She likes drawing. She draws at night. She draws with her sister. She draws at home. Now check with Ali. Ali is 8 years old. He likes running. He runs in the evening. He runs with his parents. They run at the field. Now number 3 is Ganesh. Ganesh is 7 years old. He likes singing. He sings every weekend. He sings with his friends. They sing in school. Okay, that's all for today. It's lovely to meet all of you. Until next time we meet again. Bye.